Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. Well, we're on our third wall, and this is the first 24-foot wall. You can see the floor's a little wet. Boy, I tell you what, I've never seen so much rain in Maine this year. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Places are flooding. Roads are being washed out. We can't seem to get a decent week. Might have a couple days this week, get up in the 80s, but then we get more rain. Unbelievable. It's been the rainiest, probably because I'm building it. So anyway, I'm going to start sheathing this as much as I can, and then we'll stand it up, and in this case, because it locks the other two walls, the sheathing can't complete until the walls are all locked in. Going to be a little bit of trial and error. This is the top of the wall, and of course, as you've seen, the build is up off the ground. I'm going to put the two biggest sheets at the top, and that way the big sheets on the bottom. If I put two big sheets on the top, it leaves a 4-footer on each end, which won't be too bad to manipulate on a ladder. On the bottom, though, different case. It'll take at least two 8-footers, but at least it's closer to the ground. So, that's my plan. There's one window in this wall. That's in the master bedroom. So that means I'll have to install a total of 3 sheets. The wall takes 6 sheets, but I'm going to have to install 3 of them once the wall is stood up. There's the 3 that I'm installing. Getting humid out. Still looks like it could rain, but I hope not. Well, it's getting humid enough that I'm going to take my shirt off, take a chance. It means obviously I'll have to put on more bug spray, because the bugs are wicked. I do like to put a screw to start this in a corner, then I can align it a little bit before I actually start putting nails. Then I can pivot it on that. the other one. And make sure that they're straight, which they're pretty damn good. Awesome. Okay. I'm going to go along the top and then reach down to the rest. I'm sure somebody in the business would go a lot faster. Like I said, I'm only putting on 3 sheets. Then I'm going to stand it up. Hopefully you don't get too much wind. I wouldn't want it to be 3 sheets to the wind. That wouldn't be good. Okay, so thanks for watching me put on these 3 sheets. It's pretty similar to how I've been doing every wall. And the next thing I'm going to work on is getting my jacks, if you can see these, called transporter. It's what I use to lift the wall. If my sweetheart doesn't come back, by the time I get both of these on, I'll lift the wall all by myself. So thanks for watching, and there'll be more videos to come. This one might be a bit short, sorry about that. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe. God bless everyone.